Hi, my name is Jason Isles. I'm an accounting manager at Dot Foods Incorporated. We have a Pass 1 and a Pass 2 of our budget that all of our sub-department managers are engaged in and can make changes to. And we really measure how much we are changing on a net profit basis from the end of Pass 2 through the end of our budget cycle. And we were changing between 6 and 8% prior to being with Vena. And in last year's results, we were at 2.2% change. So from a senior manager perspective, when they get Pass 1 and Pass 2 of budget, they can rest more assured that they're getting a quality product. And so what we're looking to do now that we've had success with Vena over a couple different budget cycles is instead of starting at the end of September, we're gonna look to push things back towards the end of October, early November. That enables our users to have more actual data from the year that we're actually in, which is very important for helping build a better budget as we go into the next year. It would take us about 2 weeks from an accounting perspective to receive all that information, upload it, check it, and then report back out on it. We don't need that much time with Vena now because we can help evaluate the quality of the budget as managers are entering it. As much as anything, they feel more comfortable coming back to us for other things throughout the year as well. And then as we look to expand Vena within our accounting team, it makes us more excited that we're going to have more of an impact with more users throughout our business as well. And we're just trying to evaluate with our understanding what Vena can do from a budgeting standpoint, how it can enhance other parts of our business as well. Hopefully it will increase that visibility even higher.